Welcome, my dear student. In today's virtual classroom program, we will discuss about the Ohm's law. As in our previous videos, we have been already studied about the potential difference and the current. What the relation persists between them, it is being explained by Ohm's, and which is known as Ohm's law. Ohm's has given the law which is known as Ohm's law. Today we will discuss about the Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, if all the physical conditions remains constant, if all the physical conditions remains constant, if all the physical conditions remains constant, then current flowing in the circuit, then current flowing through the circuit is directly proportional to the applied potential difference. Applied potential difference across the ends of the wire or conducting material or conducting material. This is the statement of the Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, if all the physical conditions remains constant, then current flowing through a circuit is directly proportional to the applied potential difference across the ends of the wire or conducting material. This condition, all the physical condition, is very important. All the physical conditions means temperature of the wire, temperature of the surrounding, thickness of the wire, and nature of the material. All these remain same. Then this law is applied. Otherwise, you may see the failure of the Ohm's law. It is true if all the physical conditions remain same or constant. Mathematically, applied potential difference V is directly proportional to the current flowing in the circuit. V is directly proportional to I. When proportionality sign is removed, V is equal to IR, where R is a constant. R is a constant of proportionality called a resistance of the wire, or conducting material, where R is a constant of proportionality called the resistance of the wire or conducting material. Now we will discuss about the resistance. In my previous video, we have been discussing about the certain symbols used. During that discussion, we have been also written about what resistance is. What is the symbol of resistance? What resistance is? That will be repeated here. A resistance of a conducting material is the basic property of the conducting wire or material which resists the flow of charge or flow of current is called resistance. It's symbolized by R. It is denoted by R. The resistance, the obstruction or the hindrance provided by the conducting material or wire during the flow of charge is called its resistance. It is denoted by R. Its symbol, which you already know, its SI unit is ohm. Generally, in board exam, along with the definition of the Ohm's law, The graphical verification is also being, the question related with the graphical verification of Ohm's law is also being asked. The graphical verification of the Ohm's law, as you know, V is directly proportional to I. That means the slope of a potential difference and current flowing in the circuit is always be linear. The graphical verification of Ohm's law. Graphical verification of Ohm's law. Wherever this question is being asked, just you have to plot a linear graph of potential difference and current. Current in ampere along the x-axis, and you will plot potential difference along the y-axis. I have written its symbol V. And their slope will be linear or a straight line through the origin. This slope gives the resistance of the conducting material. This slope will give you the resistance, which endorses the proportionality relation between potential difference and the current. Now, I stop this topic here. In our next video, we will discuss about what are the factors affecting the resistance of a conducting material. That we will discuss on our next video. You will have to solve your in-text questions based on Ohm's law. Okay. Come here, brother.